The experience has been very relaxing, very transformative. Stephanie brings a lightness to something that can sometimes feel a little heavy, but she has a gift of bringing us all to a place of joy. I enjoyed today being amongst a group of women that all came with a similar purpose, a similar journey of finding a higher voice and a higher purpose. The energy that Stephanie attracted into the room to bring the women together was really phenomenal. What surprised me most was that I could do something that I thought was maybe impossible. That Stephanie taught us to just believe and just say the thing that came up, not to judge ourselves. And so it was amazing to me that I could bring forward the intuitive voice that I knew was in there.